Is it time to change the air filter in your Honda Talon? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen, and this is Maintenance Matters. You're going to access your air filter through this access panel. Remove that. Remove all clips around the airbox lid. Remove your airbox lid. You're going to remove each one of these bolts holding your air filter in. Whenever you're removing these bolts, there's going to be a small washer that comes off with them, so be sure that comes off and don't lose any of those. These 3 bolts here are going to stay in. As you can see, they have keepers on them. This air filter is pretty much toast, so we're going to go ahead and get that one replaced. While you have this out, wipe out your air box really good. Get any dirt and debris out. Also clean your intake ports here. Your air filter kit's going to come with a new cover seal and housing seal. Looks like our housing seal is in pretty good shape, so we're going to set this one aside in case we need it later. We're going to go ahead and install the new air filter. Looks like our cover seal is in good shape as well, so now let's reinstall the cover. Once your cover is in place, you can reinstall your access panel. And that's how easy it is to change your air filter on your Honda Talon. Happy riding!